You're watching 18 News at 5.
The next steps of Governor Cuomo's harassment investigation could end with him in court. Our 18 News reporter Tara Lynch sat down with a local lawyer for a full breakdown of the case against the governor in this week's episode of Law Talk.
Welcome to this week's segment of Law Talk. I am joined this afternoon by attorney Matt Bizzetti of the Bizzetti Law Firm. Thank you so much for coming out and speaking with us today.
Anytime, as always.
So big news, obviously, yesterday from the Attorney General's office in Albany. She has concluded her investigation into the governor and the sexual harassment claims made against him. So I just kind of wanted to go over some of those legal ramifications that we're seeing. So right now, she is not pursuing a criminal investigation, but some district attorneys are requesting that info, maybe just looking at it to potentially pursue that. What are they looking for at this point?
So at this point, they're looking for a couple of things. My guess would be that they're looking at one jurisdiction, the situs, like where did the actual events occur, to make sure that they can charge, if they're looking or examining charges, to make sure that they have that jurisdiction to take the case into court. The other thing too would be what level of charge and if it's within the statute of limitations. In the civil and legal world, a case has to be brought within so many years of it happening. So they want to make sure that they answer those two questions first before the process goes on.
And what are the legal routes for some of the victims at this point? I know they spoke out earlier this year, so now that could be potentially coming back into the spotlight as well.
Civil suits. So on some assault cases, the statute of limitations is a year. Workplace harassment, sexual harassment, hostile work environment. All of those causes of action would still be viable and able to be brought against the governor and other members potentially of the governor's cabinet. So they could bring a civil suit. Additionally, there could be criminal charges as well.
And when we look at that impeachment process, of course, there's a lot of different things that could happen at this point. But if he were to be impeached and there would be a trial in Albany with his colleagues on the political side of things, what would they be doing as well?
That's difficult to answer. They would kind of be, impeachment is different. The standard there is different than a criminal or even a civil standard. So they'd be looking at a lot of things that other people might not in a courtroom.
All right, lots to keep an eye on, Matt. Thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate your analysis, and all this information can also be found on our website, mytwintiers.com. But if you would have a segment that you'd like us to cover on next week's segment of Law Talk, you can just email them to us, news@wetmtv.com. 18 News at 5 will be right back after the break.